Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a review video. I'm gonna be reviewing this new foundation. This foundation is not new, but it's actually new to me. A lot of people was talking about this product. That is the best foundation from the drugstore, so I want to find out and see if it is. This is a Maybelline Drink Over Cover Full Coverage Foundation, and this one has SPF 50, so it's amazing for summer now that we are in summer. I got it in the shade Toffee, that is a 330, because I am in Toffee in the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so I grabbed Toffee again. This foundation doesn't come with a pump, actually. It actually comes with these two. I'm gonna prime my face. For today's primer, I'm gonna be using the Poreblem primer. So now that my face is all primed, I'm just gonna let it dry just a little bit. I'm gonna be using this little fan. This is supposed to be like the dupe for the Amazon fan. Now I'm gonna move on with the foundation, and I'm gonna apply it with this brush. It's a Brown Buffer brush from a Juvia's Place. Apply this foundation on the back of my hands because I don't have a tray. I want to buy a tray, but since everything is closed right now, I have to deal with this. Okay, so this foundation, it is a watery consistency, as you guys can see, and I want to see if this foundation is gonna hide my dark circle and if it's gonna hide my redness as well that I have on my cheek. Did hide my redness that I have on this side, and it kind of hides my dark circles as well. With just one layer, it looks like it is a full coverage foundation. This foundation actually, it has a scent. It smells really good, by the way. It has like a perfumey smell. This is just one layer that I apply right now. It does give you a full coverage because I cannot see the redness on my cheek, and the shade that I got, that is Toffee, is definitely my shade. I'm gonna be applying a second layer on top of this foundation because I want to know if you can build up this foundation or not, but this time I'm gonna apply it straight to my face. This is a second layer, and it definitely looks like a full coverage foundation. So this foundation, it actually gives you a full coverage. It doesn't matter if you apply one layer or two layers. And so far, this foundation is not sitting on top of my skin. It blends really nicely, and that is that I have dry skin. So imagine I have dry skin and it's not sitting on top of my skin. Like, can you see that? I'm sorry that I'm moving so much, but oh my god, this is the bad habit of the office shade. Doesn't look like I have foundation on. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I will give you guys like my final thoughts about this foundation and see if this foundation oxidizes. I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna be using this concealer as a contour. This is from BECCA, and it is the Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and this one it is in the shade Deep Bronze. Now I'm gonna set this contour using the Black and Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is a light to medium. And I'm gonna contour with the shade that says contour. I'm gonna be using just the same brush. For blush, I'm gonna be using this palette that I haven't used. I just used it like once or twice. It is the Smashbox LA Light Contour Blush and Highlight Palette. I don't think that this palette is fire or does it, because if it's fire, it's really gonna break my heart because it's limited edition. They don't have it no more. I'm just gonna use it. I don't care if it's just fire or not.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
I don't think powder is fire, or maybe it does. Let me know if it does because I really don't know. I'm gonna blend these two shades together. This one is called True Pink Berry, and I also gonna mix it with the True Blush. So I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Okay, as you guys can see, it looks really like soft when you blend it with a nude blush.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
I did not apply no concealer. I forgot to apply my contour, not the contour, the concealer underneath my eyes to hide this dark circle just a little bit more. So I'm just gonna do it on top of this blush. It doesn't matter, I apply the blush again, but I really want to highlight underneath there. So I'm gonna be using these two Tarte concealers. One it is in tan and the other one it is in deep. Gonna blend it with a sponge, but this one is the one that I got at TJ Maxx, and I just squeezing all the water out. Now I'm gonna go back again with the blush. I'm gonna take just the same two blush that I applied. It's time to go with the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Palette.
No! She wasn't ready! She wasn't ready!
Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Powder. I'm gonna blend it with this AOA Studio highlighter brush. With the lips, I'm gonna be using, first I'm gonna line my lips using the Morphe Bite Me lip liner. Then I'm gonna take my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick in 1993. It is like my type of nude color. So let me tell you guys that this foundation actually doesn't oxidize. That's a thumbs up, and it feels really nice on the face. I don't feel like I have foundation on, so it's really lightweight. It's give you like a full coverage, but it feels light at the same time. You can definitely build up this foundation. It's not gonna look khaki. It doesn't look khaki when you build it up. It's really blendable. You can wear this foundation every day because it feels really light, and it's really affordable. $10.99. That is so affordable. $10. You cannot beat the price for this foundation. It give you that full coverage. If you want a full coverage foundation, this is a foundation for you. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, leave me any video requests that you guys have in the comment box below. Like this video if you like it, if you find it helpful, if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video.